Hi you guys, I'm sure the lighting right now looks horrible, but I'm filming this intro anyway because I want to get this video up as soon as possible. So this is the first tutorial of the first look from the Giugno Nel Giardino photo shoot, which literally translates to June in the garden. The reason I gave it this name, this Italian name, is because I'm here in Italy and I'm taking advantage of the beautiful gardens that you can find here in Florence. So if you want to find out how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Also, be sure to check out our Instagram page to see the upcoming looks and more photos of this look right here. So I'm going to start by priming her face with the Mercier primer. And I'm just using this to moisturize her face and make sure the foundation looks nice and dewy for this summer look. Now I'm going in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation, and I'm using my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge to blend that into her face. Now I'm using the NARS concealer, and I'm just using this to cover up any dark circles that she might have. And I'm blending that into her skin. Now I'm going in with the Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just using this to set her under eyes and make sure that there's no creasing going on. Now I'm taking the color Silk Cream and MFEO, and I'm using that as my transition shades, and I'm just putting that right in the crease. Now I'm going in with Pukey and I forgot the other name, but I will type it out. And I'm just going right over those first two shades that I used. Now I'm going in with Jax, and I'm just putting that on her lid, and then I'm blending it upward, so I'm kind of just smoking it out. As you can see, I did the same thing with the transition shades. I smoked it out further past her lids, and now I'm just cleaning up any excess powder that I do not want on her face. Now I'm doing her lower lash line, and I'm going in with Jax, and I'm just buffing that out in the lower lash line. Also, for this look, I used the Jaclyn Hill palette, but if you don't have it, don't even worry about it. Tartelette in Bloom works. Any brownish red shadows honestly work. Now I'm using the NYX Contour and Highlight Pro palette, and I'm just putting that in her cheekbones to bronze her face up. And I'm using now the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Party. And now I'm going in with Colourpop's Wisp, and I'm using that to highlight her inner corners, the bridge of her nose, and her Cupid's bow. And of course, her cheekbones. Now I'm going in with a brush, a fan brush, and I'm putting Becca's Opal right over that. For mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and for her brows, of course, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown. For her lips, I'm going in with Max Honey Love, and I'm putting that as a base, but I really want the lips to be nice and glossy, so I'm going over it with Laneige's Lip Mask. This is not supposed to be a gloss, but I use it as a gloss all the time because it's this thick consistency, and it's great for when you have chapped lips. Now I'm just taking the same highlighter that we used in the shade Wisp from Colourpop, and I'm putting that on her collarbones and her shoulders. And now I'm just setting her face with the Fix Plus to get a nice dewy finish. Thanks for watching.
So I don't want to cover up all your freckles, so I'm just going lighter on the nose.
Okay.
And this area.
Yeah. I really want